Hey, what's everybody? What's everybody? What's everybody? Hey, welcome back everybody. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping in. This is Riley, my sidekick. He's always out in the garage when I'm working. So we're going to install a set of DuraFlex Ice Scratchers today. They're mounted in the rail of the rear suspension. So let's get to it. So now we're going to pull off the cover, the dust cover for the bearing on the wheel. We got to look for, there's a notch right there where you put your screwdriver in. Next we'll use a 10mm wrench and a 10mm socket to take the inside idler wheel off. So we're going to drill out this hole right here. The bolt that we pulled out for the idler wheel, you're going to go 2 over. You have to be at least 2 inches off the track, 2 to 3 inches. So this one's at least 2, so we'll take this one. So there is a right and a left. So you're going to be installing it like that. Put some red Loctite. And once we install that, you hook that up, and then you just got to put the wheel back on. Make sure you put it on the right way. This has to go in so you can put the cover on. So we'll set this on there. I put a little blue Loctite on this. So on this side, we're going to go in the only hole that is available. We're going to go above this screw or this small bolt and in front of this torsion spring glide. So we're going to use this one right here to drill out. And we'll do the same thing. Don't forget to put your Loctite on. Alright, all we have left to do is put the cap on in the wheel, and that just goes on like this. It snaps right in. And we're all done. Here's my sidekick. He's not any help today. Riley, are you any help today? I didn't think so.